Many DIY enthusiasts and design professionals love adding a unique touch to their projects, but they don't always have the right tool to achieve clean, long-lasting engravings. Luckily, modern laser engravers make it easy to get professional quality results quickly and effortlessly. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best laser engravers available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these engravers, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Atomstack A20 Pro laser machine, a powerful and versatile tool that stands out as one of the most advanced options on the market today. With an impressive 20-watt true laser output, it's capable of engraving and cutting even hard materials like metal, acrylic, and wood with incredible precision. Its compressed spot technology, measuring just 0.003 by 0.004 inches, delivers ultra-fine lines, smooth edges, and a clean, professional finish. One of its biggest advantages is speed. This engraver reaches up to 15.7 inches per second, making it up to 3 times faster than many traditional models. Despite this speed, it maintains outstanding accuracy, allowing for detailed engravings and perfectly cut shapes in record time. It's a great choice for users who want to boost productivity without sacrificing quality. The sturdy aluminum frame gives it a professional, durable structure while keeping it easy to assemble. Thanks to its integrated linear guide system, the laser head moves smoothly and steadily, improving precision and extending the machine's lifespan. It's designed for both dedicated hobbyists and professionals who expect top-tier performance from their equipment. When it comes to safety, it's well covered. It features a magnetic protective cover, safety goggles, and an auto shutdown system that activates if the machine tilts more than 15 degrees. This, combined with its semi-enclosed design, shields the user from laser reflections and keeps long work sessions safe and comfortable. It also offers versatile connectivity, supporting USB-C flash drives and even mobile control through the official Atomstack app. Fully compatible with Lightburn and Laser GRBL, it's easy to operate from any device. With a lifespan of up to 10,000 hours and reliable technical support, this engraver delivers both power and dependability for any creative or professional project. Next up, we have the Acmer S1 laser machine, a compact yet powerful engraver known for its precision, strength, and ease of use. It features a 3.5-watt diode laser with a total output of 36 watts, allowing for incredibly detailed engraving and cutting. With its fine-tuned focal distance and concentrated laser beam, this machine delivers clean, professional results across a wide range of materials. What makes it stand out is its 2-in-1 versatility, capable of both engraving and cutting with impressive accuracy. It handles wood, leather, bamboo, acrylic, ceramic, and anodized aluminum with no problem. And it can also cut plywood, MDF, and thin acrylic sheets. That makes it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and small business owners who want high-quality results without the need for bulky industrial machines. One of the biggest advantages of this model is how easy it is to set up. It comes 99% pre-assembled, so you just need to attach the laser head, and it's ready to go. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced user, it's designed to deliver speed, convenience, and precision right from the start. Built from industrial-grade aluminum alloy, it offers a sturdy yet lightweight structure, weighing only about 4.4 pounds. Despite its compact size, it provides a working area of 5.1 by 5.1 inches, striking the perfect balance between portability and performance. It's also highly compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, supporting popular software like Lightburn and Laser GRBL. Inside, a multi-core processor ensures smooth and stable operation, while its Class 4 safety certification guarantees safe performance, whether you're using it at home in a workshop or for small professional projects. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Creality Falcon laser engraver, a tool that combines ease of use with professional-grade precision. It comes fully assembled and pre-calibrated, so you can start engraving straight out of the box. With optimized presets for different materials, there's no need for endless testing. The Falcon Design Space software makes everything simple by combining vector design, device control, and creative tools in one intuitive platform. Its Core XY dual motor system delivers impressive speed and stability, reaching up to 23.6 inches per second. That's 3 times faster than many other models. This means smoother motion, greater accuracy, and faster results, perfect for users who want both efficiency and precision in every cut or engraving. It also features a high-definition smart camera pre-calibrated to show a full view of the work area. The system automatically locates and adjusts the position of your object, eliminating manual alignment errors. This makes it easy for beginners and experienced users alike to achieve perfect placement and focus with minimal effort. Safety is a top priority here. The fully enclosed design features dual transparent doors that block 99% of laser radiation while also reducing noise and smoke. It includes an auto-lock mechanism, emergency stop button, and an air ventilation system, ensuring a safe and comfortable workspace at all times. One standout feature is the automatic material recognition system, which detects the surface type and adjusts the ideal settings for each material. It works seamlessly with wood, acrylic, leather, vinyl, and cardstock without manual configuration. And with its graphic contour extraction function, it can instantly turn any logo or design into a detailed engraving. Plus, it's compatible with popular software like Lightburn, Laser GRBL, and CutLab X, giving you full creative control for every project. Now let's move on to the Vevor A7 Laser Engraver, a versatile and reliable machine built for power, precision, and durability. With a 5-watt laser, it can engrave and cut over 100 different materials, including wood, acrylic, leather, and coated metals. The laser head has an impressive lifespan of over 10,000 hours, even when running at 80% power, offering consistent performance and long-term reliability. Its compressed spot technology focuses the laser energy into a tiny 0.003 by 0.003 inch point, allowing for sharp details and incredibly clean cuts. Combined with a stepper motor and a synchronized belt drive system, it achieves high-motion accuracy, producing professional-grade results whether you're engraving letters, patterns, or decorative designs. Setup is quick and simple thanks to its modular frame design. Each part comes numbered, and the entire assembly takes under 20 minutes. It also includes an adjustable focus screw, making it easy to fine-tune the laser for smooth, even results on both flat and uneven surfaces. When it comes to software, it's widely compatible. The machine connects via USB and works seamlessly with Lightburn and Laser GRBL, supporting Windows, macOS, and Linux. For added safety, it includes a UV filter that blocks up to 97% of harmful light, along with an emergency stop switch for extra protection. Built from industrial-grade aluminum and glass, its sturdy structure provides stability even during long engraving sessions. Its energy-efficient design prevents overheating, allowing for continuous work hours without issue. That makes it an excellent choice for workshops, creators, or small business owners looking for precise, dependable performance in every project. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the Genmitsu Laser Engraver, a compact yet powerful tool designed for those who value precision and performance in a portable format. With a 10-watt laser module, it delivers clean cuts up to 0.4 inches deep on wood or acrylic, and can engrave with impressive sharpness on glass, ceramic, and stainless steel. The results look smooth, detailed, and professional across all types of creative projects. Despite its small size, this engraver is ultra-lightweight at just 2.6 pounds, making it easy to carry with one hand. It features a working area of 7.8 by 5.9 inches, the perfect balance for small workshops, classrooms, or businesses that need a practical, high-performance setup without taking up too much space. One of its most convenient features is the smart control system, allowing you to operate it directly from the Genmitsu app or your laptop with no complex setup required. It's ready to use straight out of the box, ideal for both beginners who want an easy start and professionals looking for speed and efficiency in their workflow. This engraver is also compatible with advanced accessories, such as a 1-watt infrared laser head for marking metal and plastic, a rotary roller for cylindrical objects, a honeycomb bed to improve airflow, and an air assist pump that enhances the precision and cleanliness of each engraving. When it comes to safety, it's Class 1 certified, featuring an auto shutdown tilt sensor and an emergency stop switch to ensure a stable and secure workspace. Assembly is quick and straightforward. The frame comes pre-mounted, and you only need 2 simple steps to install the laser head. It even includes a beginner tutorial and detailed manual, helping users create clean, consistent, and professional quality engravings on a wide range of materials. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect laser engraver, or if there's another engraving machine you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.